In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Base44 in just a few quick steps. If you've been looking for an easy way to find the official Base44 website and start your first project, you're in the right place. This is a super simple tutorial and I'll walk you through it step by step. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open any browser on your computer or device. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or whatever browser you normally prefer. Once the browser is open, click into the search bar at the top. Now type Base44 into the search bar and press Enter. Give it a moment to load the results. On the search page, look for the first official link, which should be base44.com. Go ahead and open that first result. Once the Base44 website loads, you'll be on the official platform where you can begin working with your new projects. From there, you can start creating and exploring your projects right away. That's really all there is to it. It only takes a minute, and now you know exactly how to get to Base44 quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.